Hi, in today's video I'm going to be doing a review of a program called Linguix. And Linguix is an artificial intelligence aided writing aid that you can use to help build and write better content in all areas of your business. So follow with us as we move through this review. But first, I want to remind you that if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do. Now reach over and hit that bell icon. Tap it a couple times to ensure that you're getting notified every time I release a new video to our channel. So I'd like to share ways to get results that count. Build a bigger, better business with the tips suggested in the link below. Great free training to get you started today. So click that link down in below now. Now don't forget, from this review today, I want you to get value from it. If you like the video at the end, give us a large thumbs up. Without waiting any further, let's get into the dashboard of Linguix, and we'll take a look at how this can aid you and or whether you should buy it or not as a newbie making money online. So I'm going to take a look at the dashboard of Linguix right here. Linguix, and I just signed in to my dashboard. Now, the first thing they do is they suggest you can add and install Linguix to Firefox. It's also available for Chrome extension as well. Anyway, so I'm in the dashboard now. Just X out of that. I'm going to lift that up. I can take a test to test your vocabulary if you want. So let's take a look at that real quick. See what that is. There's English vocabulary test, step 1. And run it through, check the box for each word you know at least one definition for. And then you continue. That's just everything in this platform is designed to increase your writing abilities. It's designed to write correct information, good content, basically. Good content is how you get good rankings on Google. So that's a good thing there. Now we're back to the dashboard. Once you get statistics here, you can explore statistics, which will be based upon your documents that you've established. Since we don't have any, we have nothing to look at here. So we'll go back. So let's take a look at the dashboard. We're going to look at, I'm going to look at everything here. I want you to have a thorough idea of what it is you're dealing with here. Now, I like the program. I haven't used it that much. I just purchased it. Now, you can set up a document. There was a test document in here. We'll just click on that real quick. This is the test document, and what each area is highlighted here. Now, over here, you see the words. You pick the right word. Science. Graduated from. I want to change the way it reads. I tried programming, but it was all in vain. And vein is different. Vein is the leg vein, arm vein, not in vain. There are times where you just type this out, so this is going to take you, it's walking you through. You have to look and see if this is something that matches. There's hobby. Approximately about, probably just approximately. I was invited to blogging and social media. First month. You read through it. Essence, everything seems fine for the first several months. Space, no issues found. So, and then that basically automatically saves itself. Now, if you need to delete it, you can delete it here. So you set up a new document, you just press that, and you can set up, copy and paste anything in here if you have something already written. Secret mode means that this platform, Linguix, has absolutely no right, and they promise that they will not copy and use anything that you've written for any other purpose. To make money, whatever, but it's a totally secret area to work in. Nothing to check yet, okay? your writing will be checked and permanently deleted. The document won't be saved. So you're working in secret mode. So that is excellent that you would have that ability. By the way, that's what I have through a special. Go to the link down in the description. There's a special promo right now for Linguix. And if you stay tuned further in the video, I'll tell you where you can go to get this special lifetime deal right now on it. But we're going to be talking about pricing and comparing it with Grammarly and other programs a little bit further on the video as well. So let's continue on in the dashboard. Here's something that was really neat. Type in a word. Now what I did here is I just give as an example, I wrote dichotomy. This one here was how I spelled it. And I looked it up. It's actually this. So now these are words that I'll be using. I'm just going to take that away. Disingenuous. This was my spelling. Found out that it's actually spelled this way. But you can add words to your dictionary, things that you would commonly be using, and it'll automatically populate and change in your text that you're writing in whatever document formation you're doing, which is going to lead me. There is a template section I'll go on in a minute. Now this next section I really like. There's a snippets library. And this is all types of snippets that you can establish that you would use for different things. You can use the snippet and set up and basically for any types of things you're using in Office, any types of things you're using very often in your business or in your development of your website, your YouTube channel, whatever, any reaching out, emails, job offer letters, anything. You can use as templates for anything, but they're like little snippets. So let's bring one up here. Snippets. Here's the snippet. Copy to my snippets and edit. Okay, so it's going to come up. Now here's what the snippet looks like. And you can establish your shortcut here. But you can go through here and you can write and change and edit anything you want here. I'm just going to cancel that, get out of it. So that's a really cool thing. Now the settings, you can set your language. There's any number of languages here. In English, we're in this English US. You put your native tongue as in, and any number of languages here. And then what you write, mostly, this gives the AI, the artificial intelligence, a better way to get to know the writer, which is you, the person that's using it, which is you. That sets up your performance. Now, if we go back to the home, we go in here, and then what you're going to have is right here across the top, you have my documents, you have your business. And this is if you have team members, because this is for teams as well as individually, an individual using it. And so it tells you about how to set up your Linguix for a team. Now the templates area is really, really, really neat. And I want to spend a little time in here with you. You're going to start using templates. Now what you can either go here or you can continue down here and look at the templates. They have email templates, social templates, essay templates, CV, writing, personal, and business. Find the template to solve your solution. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Forget the writer's block. Let's go up here. I'm going to go up here real quick. And we're going to start using templates. Now, this takes you to the screen, everything we just looked at. Let's say I want to do we're going to do an email. So write some emails. So we're going to come up here and they're going to give you 5 types of emails, general ones that you can use. You can customize. Now, here's a follow-up email. And that's what this will look like. Now you can do professional code cut email. Let's open an editor. Now here's where the action is. Now you can preview it. I'll show you what it's going to look like. Now see all the areas you can edit in things. It's a template. You download it to wherever you want. So then let's do the intro. Now they have here save changes and check grammar. Now this is checking everything that you have going here on your computer, because basically I can go to other areas of my computer now, and I have Linguix here on my, let's move this up. Here's Linguix on my, it's enabled on my browser, my Firefox browser. So you can have it for Chrome. It's good for a MacBook. So at this time, I wanted to show you that the deal is lifetime $49 for this program. And I'm not going to tell you at the moment where it can be found. If you wait just a little longer in the video, I'll tell you where you can find it at $49. But they're going through this sales page here, and they're going to tell you. Now the plan, it's a lifetime access to Linguix Premium Plan, is basic grammar and spelling checks, unlimited grammar check, 2,700 checks for punctuation, grammar, sentence structure, vocabulary enhancement suggestions, personalized language learning, fix 9 million typos, essay templates, which we showed you, synonym suggestions, synonyms, dictionary, grammar handbook, which we talked about. So the price, one-time deal, is $49 today, and we'll go into that in a minute, where that's possible that you can buy it at that price a month. Now, if you go to Appsumo, Appsumo has it for $49 right now. You're going to get three team members basically can use the program under the $49. If you double up the code and buy 2 codes from them, it's good for 7 licenses. 3 codes, good up to 15 licenses. So the bigger your staff, the bigger the savings. But again, it's lifetime. So something to think about. Look at the pricing on this. So I thought I would add something else to this review. I got thinking about this as I was doing the review, that there are other softwares, and I found this site that gives you information on other softwares. So the biggest competitor to Linguix would be Grammarly, Reverso, and Ginger. And those are the most popular programs. Now, I found this page. I'll leave a link for you down in the description. But it's a whole chart comparing everything about Grammarly and Linguix and comparing features. As you can see, there's several features here. Now, Grammarly has a few more. But these are common things if you looked at them on the page. Now, the thing I like about this Linguix, though, is that they have things like the ready-made templates, personal editor, the team collaboration, things that Grammarly doesn't have. But if you look at the features, you can look at the features. Obviously, this is a shorter list, but these are more powerful things. There's a lot of general stuff here. Now, that's not putting Grammarly down. It's just saying that there's a difference, a little bit of difference in comparing them. But the pricing, as we look at the pricing right now, the pricing of $49 for lifetime is hard to beat when you're comparing with how much Grammarly is going to cost you for the whole of a year, let alone for lifetime. So I hope you got something out of this video today. I hope you got some value. If you're a newbie and you haven't done a lot of writing I would recommend Linguix for you. I'll have a link down in the description for you on how to go to Appsumo to get this special price today. I would say that if you like the video, please give us a large thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And while you're at it, also reach over and hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever I have a new video posted on our channel. So thanks for watching today, and don't forget to hit the link down below in the description where I share ways to get the best results that count towards building an internet business of your own. So build a bigger, better business with tips suggested in the free training linked down below in the description. And thank you very much for watching today.